Hey, I was thinking about taking a short break.
That sounds good. Where do you want to go?
How about going to Vishakhapatnam, Vizag this weekend?
Vizag is a great choice. It has beaches, hills, and good food.
Exactly. It is perfect for a short and relaxing trip.
Okay, let us plan it properly, day by day.
Sure. Let us start with Friday.
Yes, Friday is important for travel planning.
On Friday, we will finish our work early.
Right, we should not be in a hurry.
In the evening, we will pack our bags.
What things should we carry?
We should carry light clothes, slippers, sunscreen, and sunglasses.
Yes, and also phone chargers and power banks.
Do not forget ID cards and train tickets.
Very important. We should also carry some cash.
After packing, we will go to the railway station.
Our train is on Friday night, right?
Yes, we will take a night train.
That way we can sleep and save time.
We will reach Vizag early on Saturday morning.
Perfect. Saturday will be a full day.
Now let us talk about Saturday plan.
Yes, Saturday is for sightseeing.
After reaching, we will go to the hotel.
We can freshen up and have breakfast.
Then we will go to RK Beach.
Morning time at the beach is calm and peaceful.
We can walk near the beach and take photos.
Yes, and enjoy the fresh air.
After that, we will visit the submarine museum.
I heard it shows real Navy equipment.
Yes, it is very interesting and educational.
That will take around 1 hour.
Then we will go for lunch.
Where should we eat?
We can eat at a local restaurant near the beach.
Vizag seafood is very famous.
After lunch, we will rest for some time.
That is good. We should not feel tired.
In the evening, we will go to Kailasagiri.
That place has a beautiful city view.
We can watch the sunset from there.
Sunset time will be amazing.
After that, we will return to the hotel.
We can have dinner and relax.
Saturday night, we should sleep early.
Yes, because Sunday also has plans.
Now let us talk about Sunday.
Sunday should be slow and peaceful.
On Sunday morning, we will wake up early.
We will go to Yarada Beach.
Yarada Beach is less crowded and very clean.
It is perfect for a calm morning.
We can sit near the beach and relax.
No rush, just enjoy the time.
After that, we will have breakfast.
Then we can do some shopping.
We can buy small gifts and local items.
That will be nice for memories.
In the afternoon, we will return to the hotel.
We will pack our bags.
Then, we will check out and go to the railway station.
Our return train is on Sunday evening.
Yes, we will reach home by night.
Weekend trip will be completed.
What about the budget for this trip?
Yes, let us discuss that.
Travel, hotel, food and sightseeing together?
Around 5 to 6,000 per person.
That is reasonable for a weekend trip.
Yes, and totally worth it.
So Vizag trip is confirmed?
Yes, let us book the tickets today.
I am really excited about this trip.
Me too. It will be refreshing and memorable.